Welcome to Localize. Congratulations! You are only steps away from reaching new markets in record speed. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see your organization name just above your project name. Think of the organization as the overarching name in your Localize account under which you can manage multiple projects belonging to the same organization. In the Manage Organization area, you can view your usage and your projects. Manage team members, view user activity, create and view API keys, and see your account settings. Under Settings, you will find your organization, notification, and SSO settings. View your product usage and product health, billing information, invoices, and the current credit card on file. Typically, users set up separate projects for each application or instance they are translating. For example, if you have a website application and a separate help center, these can each be their own project. From here, you can also create a new project. I'll select the website's Web Apps project type. Next, I'll select the automatic method for the platform. This is the preferred way to use Localize, allowing you to automate your localization process. Fill in the new project name. Enter the URL for the website being translated. Select your source language and at least one target language. Click Create Project when ready. I've already created a project for our sample site. I've already added the Localize code to this demo website. You can see that the language widget is displayed in the site. This tells you that Localize has been installed successfully. Localize will begin to automatically detect all of the content in your application and make it available for translation. Phrase detection happens once a visitor hits the pages of your application for the first time. To kickstart this process, select the target language from the widget and refresh every page of your site so Localize can quickly detect all of your content. Now return to your Localize dashboard. Click Phrases, and you should see that Localize has detected your content and put it into the pending bin. The pending bin is where all newly detected or newly edited source content will be found, where it can be approved for translation or blocked. You can approve the phrases individually or select all phrases in the pending bin. You can learn more about a phrase by selecting information in the drop-down for that phrase. I'm going to select all phrases on this first page and approve them for translation by clicking the green check mark. The phrases are moved to the Publish bin, and free machine translations are generated. The translations can be used as is, edited by your translators, or submitted in an order to one of our third-party human translation providers. To allow for more control of your translation workflow, see our demo video on the Advanced Translation QA Workflow tool. The translations are now live on your website. Localize is really that simple. You will be spending a majority of your time in the Manage Phrases page. As you continue to add more content, those phrases will be detected and added to your Localize dashboard. You will need to continue to log into your Localize account to approve and publish new pending phrases for translations. On the Manage Phrases page, you'll notice a filter button. Click it to see the available filters such as labels, translated by, priority, and others. You can categorize content by adding labels to them. You have the option of selecting phrases and applying the label to them to make it easier to sort through your content. You can see the labels that have been applied to a phrase here. You'll also notice that some labels are automatically applied to some phrases. We call these system labels, and they are useful for finding content that should be optimized for SEO purposes, such as title tags, descriptions, and keywords. Let's take a look at the other tools under Manage Phrases. Watch the video to learn how to use our CAT tool for industry-standard computer adaptive translation workflows. Watch our short demo video on glossary terms to see how this feature can keep your brand and terminology consistent. Import and export a variety of different file types under the File Import-Export tab. Watch our short demo video on how to use the in-context editor to edit your translations in the context of your website. The Page Manager can be used to better organize your translation workflows by the pages on your site. Check out our video on the subject. The Label Manager is where you will manage all of your labels. The Dynamic Phrase Manager is the place to organize any dynamic phrases that you've created in your project. Check out our docs and video to learn more. You can place orders for translations from one of our third-party translation providers, such as Gango or TextMaster. You can view reports on page views, machine translations, the work of human translators, and API calls here. You can also use the Visitor Language Preference Report to see what languages you might want to add to your project. If you want to see more information on your project, click Manage Project. You can use the quick links or scroll down to see an overview of the phrases in your project. View the enabled languages for your project here, and add more languages as your international presence expands. Here you can also enable glossary sync and the translation QA workflow. You can use webhooks to send notifications to your back-end software. Create a style guide to better inform your human translators. Here you can set up integrations with Heap, Google Analytics, and others. You can also select one of our integration guides to learn how to add Localize to your platform. The Task Manager is used to organize your workflows and team. Here you can customize the default language switching widget, including placement, colors, and how you want the language names displayed on the widget. In Settings, you can access important information, such as your project settings. Select variable syntaxes. Set up SEO settings, library settings. Here you can disable Localize by page. Here you can exclude specific phrases from being ingested. Click on a question mark next to a specific item on the page, and it will open a new tab with a help document specific to that part of the dashboard. Please don't hesitate to reach out for support with any questions by clicking on the Support button. You now have the tools and power to connect to consumers around the world in their native language. We are excited to help you take your platform global.